Hello dear, welcome to our YouTube channel Chemistry Doctor. If you are new, please subscribe our channel. Today our question is how benzene is converted into aniline. It is very simple. In first step, benzene is converted into nitrobenzene. This process will take place by the nitration uh, in the presence of sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid used as a catalyst, and in the first step, the benzene is converted into nitrobenzene. Now, in the second step, this nitrobenzene is converted into aniline by just taking the catalyst 10 over X here. It's converted into the aniline. So here is the simple answer of our question. Just look at process.